My son heavy.
Yeah. You have fun today, okay?
Okay.
Give me a kiss. Love you.
Love you.
Come on, go get your sleep. See you soon, ate. Good morning, everyone. It's early in the morning. Actually, it's not very early, but still early-ish. So, I dropped her to Paris. I dropped baby Celine sa kanyang childcare. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi ayaw niyang pumasok ng school. For some reason, sabi niya, Mommy, I wanna go with you. I wanna go to the playground with you. And yeah, hindi na ako nag-bother na mag-vlog. And now, nandito ako sa harapan ng UPS, guys, sa Eagle Farm kasi may pinick up na naman tayong parcel. And you know what? I am rushing this morning because I have appointments. And para in-insert ko talaga itong pag-pick up ng parcel natin. Kasi I don't mind the drive, I don't mind the rush, as long as I know na yung parcel natin ay safe. So I have the parcel now in the boot of the car and I'm happy kasi I know it's safe at hindi na siya mananakaw. And 9:27 and I have to drive back to Morningside because I am getting my hair done today. So nagbook ako last night. So, di ba kahapon nag-vlog ako, pumunta ako sa isang hairdresser, pina-check ko yung aking hair. It was just a consultation. And then, since wala siyang availability, tinawagan ko yung isang hairdresser na dito lang din sa Morningside. Actually, I've been to that hairdresser long time ago, 2022. And malapit lang talaga siya sa bahay, guys. And they have availability this morning. Sabi pa nga niya 9 and I said like no, I have to drop the kids, I have to pick up the parcel, so kailangan kong i-insert. Sabi niya 10:30. So now nagvo-vlog ako kasi I feel like I still have few minutes na available. Grabe ang life ni mami niyo, guys, na available. So yeah, i-drop ko lang to sa bahay and then diretso na ako sa hairdresser. Alam niyo ba, guys, real talk ito, ha? Ang aking hair ay hindi ko talaga hindi ko nasuklay. Yan yung right word. Kasi nagkulang talaga ako ng oras kaya ng umaga. So, ganyan siya. Ayan. Pinusod ko lang ng ganyan. Tapos, naunsa na nabungkag na. Anyways, I don't mind kasi later on today, we'll have new, fresh colored hair and I'm very excited. Gusto ko kasi pakulayan, guys, before kami pumunta ng Melbourne and I don't have a lot of time kasi I only have Fridays para gawin yung mga bagay-bagay na ganito and I don't have a lot of Fridays left. And next Friday, nandito yung daddy ni Daddy Mike and ayoko namang anuhin yung time, di ba? So, I think today is the perfect time for it. So, alright. We'll drive back home now. And then, hindi pa ako nakapagkape, mind you. My God, doon ako magkakape. I think they offer, I think they serve hot chocolate doon sa hairdresser. And then, alam niyo ba, since I'm going to do like a full head foil, it will take long time. It will take hours, guys. Kaya nga, I made sure na morning kasi I have to pick up at the Paris by 3. So, kailangan ako matapos by 3, guys, para pick up at the Paris and then, clean the car and all that. Oh my God! Basta! Sobrang dami kong gagawin. But, as soon as I sit down sa chair ng hairdresser, I'll be like, I'm gonna let go everything and just relax and then have fun getting my hair done. Anyways, I think sobrang bilis ko masalita doon, guys, no? Hindi nakaka-relax kasi Friday morning dapat sana ay relaxing lang ganun, but it's different. It's the other way around. Anyways, I'm happy. I will see you again soon. Time check tayo, guys. It's now 10:10. Nandito tayo sa bahay. So we're going out now to go to our hairdresser, but before that, mag-outfit check muna tayo. Diba? Winter na winter sa Brisbane, guys. And you know what? I'm wearing a tube top because it's not cold today. I'm very happy, guys. I think, actually, it's 20, I think. Pero because very sunny, hindi mo mararamdaman yung ginaw. So here's our top. Tinak-in ko lang pala to siya. Kasi, ako naka-pants. Nakita. Teka muna, adjust konti. So, ayan yung aking top. And my purple pants na sobrang haba, guys, but it doesn't matter. Ayan, pinalisan ko ng aking Oasis na sandals. And then, my bag. So, this is my before. Tinanggal ko na ang pagkapusod niya, guys. Ayan, very, tawag dito, buhag-hag. Hindi ko kasi nasuklay, guys. But, you know, it looks better pag nasuklay. Uy, grabe naman. Wag naman kayong ganyan sa hair ko. Ayan. So, ayan yung kanyang tubo, guys. Ayan. So, body growth natin. And then, it will look much better. So, yeah. Love my outfit for today. Madam na madam. Mukhang hindi nag-rush kayo ng umaga, guys. Hindi para kapag kape. I'm gonna go get coffee now, actually. Diyan tayo pupunta. But since we still have a few minutes left, tayo ay bibili muna ng kape. Look, busy sila, guys. Oh, they have almond croissant. Alam niyo si mami niyo, guys, eh, hindi nag-makeup. Buti na lang to the... Thumbs up si Tito sa harapan. Sabi niya yung vlog mo. Yeah, buti na lang ay rescue ang ating sunscreen from Korea, guys. Sobrang bet na bet ko siya kasi pag nilagay ko sa mukha, parang nagkaka-dewy effect. So, pag hindi dry na dry, tingnan ang ating mukha.
Should have done it like a time lapse.
My first year, looking at the album there, was like, doosh, 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 down the driveway. In 2009.
I'm done with my hair. Look at this. Ayan. Mamadali si mami nyo, guys, kasi pipick upin na natin ang ating Ate Paris. Di makakita dyan ang kulay. What do you think about the color, guys? Ayan. Makita natin mamaya ng mas, magandang anggulo. Ay, alam niyo naman si mami nyo, guys. Rush. Ayan. Tapos, nagpa si mami nyo, soft layer lang. So, medyo, na siya, pinutulan siya ng konti. And then, nagpa-bangs. Ganyan. Hala ka. But yeah, I'll show you like a better view later. Pag nasa labas na tayo. It's the moment of truth. Nandito na ang aking hair. Ayan. Oh my God, I so love the color, guys. Tingnan niyo. Konti lang talaga yung pinutol niya na length dito, but nilagyan niya ng layers. I super love the color as well. Sobrang nagandahan ako sa kulay. Kasi it's not too bright for me, just the perfect shade na hinahanap ko. Kasi alam niyo ba, guys, yung hinahanap ko na kulay talaga is the same ng kulay ng buhok ni Ate Paris. Kasi nagagandahan talaga ako. Parang brown, light brown siya. So this one, may pinakita akong picture. Actually, the picture looks lighter than this. But I'm very happy with the result. Even though hindi siya ganun ka light. Kasi I think it's just easier to maintain. And very soft brownish. Sabi niya milk tea beige color. Ganun na kulay. So yeah, tapos yung ating fringe naman, ayan siya. Ayan. Hindi ko sobrang short talaga kasi hindi talaga bagay sa akin, guys. Kasi ang aking mukha ay malaki. So, ayan. Hanggang dito lang. Kung straight yan siya, hanggang dito lang. Ayan. But yeah, what do you think, guys? This is the final result ng ating hair. Ayan. basta ako, I'm happy sa result. I'm very happy na I went there again. Ayan, love the haircut as well. At alam niyo ba what I love about it the most kumpara sa pinupuntahan ko before? Yung pinupuntahan ko before, I also love it. Magaling din siya, mabait. But sa place na to, guys, they do the curling for free. Like parang ano na yan siya, parang flat rate na yan siya yung binayaran mo sa hair color. Ano na yun siya, kasama na yung pag-style. But doon sa last na pinuntahan ko, guys, like, dry lang talaga. Tapos, straight lang pag umalis ka. So, parang hindi mo na-feel na galing ka ng salon. So, at least, like, this one, kina-curl nila. Parang, ano siya, parang, ano katingnan, like, fresh from the salon talaga. So, that's what I like the most. And then, lumabas ako, guys, and very happy kasi nakatanggap ako ng compliment. Again, yesterday, the same thing, guys. Sinabihan nila ako na maganda na yung outfit ko. They love how I put my clothes together. Ganyan. O, diba? And yesterday, I vlogged yesterday. Meron din nagsabi sa akin, guys, na nagandahan daw sila sa pa-outfit ko. Kaya, yeah, it makes me happy. Alam mo yun? Kunting bagay na ganyan, guys, na nakakapagpaligaya sa atin. So ngayon ay hintayin lang natin yung magpipick up ng bag kasi sabi niya for 3:46 pa eh. So I'll see kung magme-message siya. Magme-message siya soon and then we'll pick up Lini around 5 na. Like Mama's hair color lang? I think we're very similar. Okay. Why? Louie. Hi! Hi! Hi, baby!
Louie. Wow. Say hi.
Big boy. Hi, baby, beautiful girl! Oh, thank you, my love. You're very helpful, aren't you? What's inside your basket? Oh my God, you're so strong! So strong! Ah! Here's your... Oh! That's this, honey. Oh, Mama fixed it for you, okay? Come, put this in the bag. Thank you, Ma. How's your day, Baba? Kiss Mama B. Kiss. Mwah. Love you so much, anak. Thank you. Can we put this back, please? Thank you very much. See you now. Maghahanap kami ng makakainan kasi actually alam na namin kung saan kami pupunta. Punta kami sa Thai restaurant. They've got like the Indian. Kasi hindi pa kami nakapunta dito eh. So try namin yung kanilang Thai food. Oh, smells good already, huh? Well, inside, Daddy. Oh, is this the one? I think so. It's part of it.
Yeah, it is. Got it.
We'll go inside, Daddy.
Inside?
Yeah. Thank you. Ayan, time check guys, 6:13. Ang ganda ng lighting niya dito guys. Ganda ng backdrop. Yeah, oh my God, I'm so excited. Yeah, do this. Anak, I need to have a look, Baba. Thank you. Okay. Tingnan niyo, oh, morning side. Sus, dito lang talaga to siya sa sa neighborhood. Sana nandito yung gusto ko. Yes, anak. Thank you. Nandito guys. Yung ating whole fish na oh my God! Nandito guys! this is the one it's the same, no? The whole barramundi with fruit like sauce. Ay, okay, man. Yung water? Kita po ko ba sa'yo?
Half full already.
You drink your water.
Mommy.
Mommy is silly.
Half full already.
I don't know about none of them melons.
Yeah.
They're different, so they just that's just barramundi, they're different sources.
Nakapag-order na kami, guys. At nagugutom ako kasi I don't think I have lunch.
It's me.
Yeah. Si Daddy ay nagpa-fasting ba? Ako, fasting na hindi ko pinaplano. Karis just received a package! Kaya kauwi lang namin, guys, sa Japan store. Let's unbox and bag it when you go in.
I wonder what's inside. Maybe it's something fun.
Yeah.
There could be something else.
Mama bought few stuff. I'm home na, guys.
What do you got?
I want to join Mommy.
What do you got?
Something.
My stocking! Wait, I wanna eat it.
Nabili ako from AliExpress, guys, kasi di ba pupunta kami ng Melbourne and kailangan ay warm kaming lahat doon. Because in the middle of winter.
I'm going to...
Open lang. Do you like my hair, Lady?
I love it.
Do you like my hair color?
This
Is it?
I got to see
color?
Mine is... Whoa, what's this?
oh, green, not the box.
Yeah, black. Oh, yes, warm. Oh, is it? Oh, it's for you lang. Yeah, it's for you. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh, bumili ako ng ganito, oh. Yung thermal ba? Ayan, very thick. Ala, we wear this in Melbourne lang. Because this is when,
I'm liking the big one.
tingnan nyo. Wow, this is going to be really warm. And then for mommy, yan. Tawag dito, oh. Pa turtleneck and knit.
Well, you...
And may ibang buhay. Uy, anak ko. Alanak. You dropped my phone too many times today, nak, ha?
No, it's only once.
Once.
What? I hope this doesn't go
One. In this color. The same style. Ibang kulay lang. Yes. Tingnan nyo. Pang airport outfit nilang dalawa. The same. Hala nak. It looks big lang.
No.
Cute naman ito eh. Look at that. Super cute. Actually, the same with Ate Paris's. Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah.
Look. Nak, work cut with the scissors lang. Will take forever lang. Ah, so big. What happened? Because...
Then why did you buy this?
Yeah, I didn't realize it's gonna be this big. Oh, I don't know. We try? Other one. That's alright. It's okay. It looks big. You're a big girl na talaga, ano.
I can look at it.
Yeah? Show Daddy. Daddy, does it look big to you? Look at Paris' shoes.